Welcome to the Clever Fox, and congratulations on taking the first step to being smarter about your finances. Our program comes in 2 parts. Part 1 is educational, and no, educational does not mean boring. Our program is fun, interactive, and informative. This is where you will learn all the different ways that you can make and save money. Sounds pretty good, huh? Part 1 covers 5 financial topics, which you can work through at your own pace. No pressure, no exams, just lots of tips and tricks for smart budgeting and investing, tailored to suit your personal profile. To ensure the program gives the best results for you, you'll need to enter some personal details. So make sure you have access to your payslips, loan paperwork, superannuation account, and bills. And remember, the more accurate these details, the more useful your final clever plan will be. That's part 1. Now for part 2. And this is where the fun begins. Building your very own tailored financial plan. Your clever plan. In part 2, you are in the driver's seat. Here you will put all the knowledge you gained in part 1 of our program into practice. With our helping hand, of course. Completing your own financial plan has never been easier, with the Clever Fox guiding you through each and every step. Once you've reviewed your details and confirmed your goals and chosen strategies, a simple click of the button will bring your clever plan to life. Your clever plan will give a thorough overview of your current situation and detail how you will implement your chosen strategies to achieve your goals. There'll be tips, guides, and options to ensure your money matters are in order. Of course, if you need any help along the way, you can get in touch with the Clever Fox team by visiting our contact page. Deep breath now. You're ready to go. Go and be clever.